welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. Please excuse the state I look right now. I've just finished work. It is Friday the 2nd of February and it is 2:15 in the afternoon and I've just finished work. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna film a Friday evening pamper routine, so I hope you guys enjoy.
You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door.
Guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.